Hi guys, and welcome to this short video. This is a presentation of a series that I will do, and I will show you how I actually built my own e-bike starting from a normal bicycle basically. The name of the project will be ELK project. You will understand why in the following videos. Let's start first to see what we need to do that. So, first things first, we need a bicycle, right? I want this project to be as reliable as possible. It should be safe. I don't want to have like a missile with which I will crash like at every turn. So I definitely need bigger, big wheels, big tires, some front suspensions actually to like cope with the irregular pavement that we could find here in Amsterdam where I'm living. I definitely need disc brakes because we need some stopping power if I can reach like a higher speed. And so I will go for 27.5 inches minimum wheel, hopefully 29. All these actually will probably bring me to buy a mountain bike because those are the bicycles that have all the requirements that we are listing here. What else we need? Very important, a battery. This battery has to be like suitable for my intended use and for the engine that we will install on the bicycle. Last but not least, of course, we need the e-bike conversion kit. I will probably buy these on eBay or AliExpress, whatever it is more convenient. And yeah, actually for the battery, I forgot to mention that I'm considering whether to buy it or to do it myself as well. Well, hopefully it will go well and then I will not turn myself into a rocket and crash, but who knows? We will know in the next video. See you then.